These are TapNota Smart QR labels. Apply labels to storage containers, moving boxes, inventory, equipment, supplies, and more. Each label creates its own digital item page, making it easy to keep important information attached to the object itself. Add notes, photos, locations, content, serial numbers, maintenance records, instructions, warranties, and item history. Everything stays organized, searchable, and accessible whenever you need it. Need to find something later? Instantly search your entire inventory through the TapNota portal and pull up the exact item you are looking for in just seconds. Whether you're organizing your home, preparing for a move, managing business inventory, tracking equipment, or creating records for valuable items, TapNota helps you know what's inside, where it belongs, and everything that's happened to it. Need more labels? No problem. Simply purchase additional TapNota Smart QR labels and activate them using the same email address. Your new labels are automatically added to your existing account, keeping all your items and records together in one place. Once your items are labeled, everything becomes instantly searchable. Access your inventory from iPhone, Android, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer and quickly find items by name, contents, notes, or location in just seconds.